Most of the times, MKH 416 microphones have common issue of XLR connector wiring, broken wires and capsule connection intermittence. But in rare cases some electronics fail. In this case you'll have to go through a common troubleshooting routine. Check all the caps and transistors for shorts, all inductors for resistance, and check the voltages on PCB. On this peak you see XLR pins 2 and 3, which is supposed to be plus 48 volts as a phantom power supply. Points A and B should be around plus 30 volts. Later you'll have to adjust the coil slug to make voltages between A and B about 0 volts. Also, the voltage at choke, marked L, should be about 28.5 volts. Recently I had two mics with oscillator transistor failure. The oscillator part is responsible for overall bias of the whole circuit, so if it fails, everything goes bad. In my case I had to replace T1, which is BC846B, and the microphone came back to life. One transistor even checked fine with meter, but I noticed this reaction to heat, so it was kind of semi-dead. Here's the full traced schematics of 416. The capsule coil part is not shown here. So I hope that will give you a better idea how to approach the repair. Good luck!